I just quit my job and currently I just want to unpack lots of my dreams. The scary news is that you are at your own now, and the coolest news is that you are at your own now. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Grapur once again, and here I am back with another video, but this is something new. And here I am, and let me just show you. I was about to prepare a script that this video is fully, I'll be just writing all this script, but I couldn't. I don't know. I am not a script person. I'll just sit in front of camera and whatever comes to my mind, I speak without any chronology. I was, just see, I was about to write script, but I didn't write anything. And yes, for now, how I'm feeling, the scary news is that you are at your own now. And the coolest news is that you are at your own now. So yes, it's a amalgamation of feeling of sadness, and I'm too happy. So I don't know, but yes, at current, when I'm shooting this, I think that's the best decision that I took. So yes, I'm getting good salary there, but I don't think that is aligning with my potential, what I can do. And currently I just want to unpack lots of my dreams. So I was very confused that should I do this or should I not do this. Whenever I'm traveling, I just had a realization that I'm not made for this. I'm not, you are somebody else. You are not this person who is just talking to clients, sending emails all day. You are not robot. You are not. You deserve much better. You deserve, life. And I'm very sure that I don't deserve this. I am not someone who will be writing emails all day long. I'm just talking to clients. That doesn't give me any kick. So when I am in between this confusion that I should do this or should I not do this, I'm thinking about my clients, that who will be taking care of them and who will be helping them if I'm not here. So I'm being selfish here, but that's not my job. I don't think that's my job. So I think I have given them enough guidance. It's time to think about me, that what I really want in life and what I really don't want to. So I'm really a person who is very tenacious, very, very, very positive. If you look around, my whole room is mess, but I'm shooting this video because I really want to, and I genuinely feel that whenever I shoot videos, I am talking to myself. So I'm just retrospecting my thought, putting all of my energy into shooting these kind of videos, and I really like that. I think I am somebody else and I deserve much better than writing those emails 24/7, then talking to clients, then having conversation on phones. I think I deserve much better. For now, I'm just very proud of this decision. I don't have any backup plan. Without any backup plan, I just quitted. And I know myself. I know that I'll be just finding something much, much, much cooler and much better than this. The potential that I have and the thing that I am doing there is so much different. It's so much different. I think I am a way cooler person than I am at my office. So I'm a person who loves to travel, and in my case I'm just traveling to some of cafes, and I only have one Sunday. I literally have one Sunday where I can enjoy my weekend. And after that, what? Same routine again? No, I don't deserve that. Same routine, just going to my office, just writing emails, just doing the same stuff which I am doing, from past 5 to 6 months. I need a break. Also, the reason is that there is one line that literally hits me. There is one senior in our office, and he was like that, one thing, you all are robots. You all are robots. You are doing the same thing again and again, and you should have to do this. So, contradicting your opinion, I'm not a robot. Sorry, I'm not a robot. I am a human being with feelings, and I know that what I can do. You'll be treat me like a robot, and I'll be working there. Sorry, I'll I'll not. Okay, I am not a robot. I am a human being. So that hits me. So I am here in front of you without any backup plans, and I'm just telling you my story, that how I quit it. So I think that's the bravest decision. If you think that you don't belong there, you should get out of it. You should, you have faith in yourself that you'll be figuring out something. So I'm very sure that I don't belong to that place. That's the reason I quit it. And I'm very happy after shooting this. I am very, very, very happy, and I am proud of my decision. I did that. That's the bravest decision that I took. So just listen to your instinct. I think that's really important. And if you think that you don't belong to that place, you should leave as soon as possible. Also, I'm not saying that it's the bravest decision to just quit without any backup plan. It's better to have backup plan. It's really important to have an organized plan before you do this. But yes, that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it, and I really hope you liked it. So that's it for this video. So yes, stay tuned to my channel, and you'll be loving all the updates that I'm gonna give you. Bye bye.